Like your new hair?
Yep. Look at this is a great way to stay in shape.
You got that from Family Guy.
Hello. This is a great way to stay in shape.
What kind of cancer is it? One that slowly eats at whatever thing he says, and he's like, it's a good way to stay in shape.
It's a good way to stay in shape.
Whatever you want to do. So then he asked what happens. Are you sure now? You told him, okay. He's like, I don't care. I'm like, okay, I'm
Yeah,
just
that's a
asking.
good way to stay in shape.
You know?
Okay, I'm gonna spin too, okay? So hi, say hi.
I never told him you could do this. So I asked him,
No, like this.
are you sure now? Because we're going tomorrow.
Can't believe you're getting a mohawk. Well, you got a mohawk.
Whee!
Say cheese. I'm doing a video.
Whee!
These chairs are fun.
Look. You could stay and twist at this thing all the day.
I know, right?
Because it's so twisty. Whee!
Yeah, but the camera's having a hard time focusing.
Because we're having so much fun.
Yeah.
It was like.
Okay, turn around, do your mugshot.
I wish I had a recorder on the whole time. I got it funny video. She should not stop talking about it. And she's
Look at
what the? And then this is really never going to make it. But in the morning, and you can yell at that.
It's gonna be so easier to give you your mohawks now.
See, watch this.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So it's like,
It's so keyed out, huh?
yeah. I got my mohawk. So it's like, yeah, I got my mohawk. You twist while you say it. You say it while you twist. Yeah, I got my mohawk. I'm gonna start right here.